Hello and welcome! In this beginner-friendly tutorial, I will show you how to limit the number of login attempts on your WordPress website. Limiting the number of login attempts is vital to enhance the security of your website. By default, WordPress permits users to enter passwords unlimited times. Hackers can exploit this by using scripts that input different combinations until they successfully guess the correct login. Limiting the number of failed login attempts per user can prevent brute force attacks. The good news is that there is a free and easy way to do that without affecting any core files. I will now switch to my dashboard to show you exactly how to do it. From your dashboard, go to Plugins and click on Add New Plugin. When this page opens, type Limit Login in the search box on the right. We will install the plugin called Limit Login Attempts Reloaded. It has excellent reviews and over 2 million installations. As of creating this video, it was updated 1 week ago and is compatible with my WordPress version. To install it, click Install Now and then Activate to add it to your WordPress security toolkit. Upon activation, reload this page and you will see the Limit Login Attempt menu in the left-hand column. Hover over it and click on Settings. This is the page where you will make all the changes while the rest of the options can be left as they are. To comply with GDPR laws, click the GDPR Compliance checkbox to show a message on your login page. You can learn more about the GDPR by clicking one of these two links. The GDPR message will appear at the bottom of the login page and you can leave it as it is. Where it says Notify on Lockout, you can enter your email address to be notified when someone has been logged out. By default, you will be notified the third time the user is logged out. Leave everything as it is and scroll down to the Local App section. This is where you can define how many login attempt retries can be made and the lockout time a user will have to wait before they can try again. A more detailed explanation can be read in the paragraph below. Custom app settings are for premium members of this plugin. Remember to click the Save Settings button to save all the changes. A message will appear at the top of the page stating that all settings are saved. I will now log out to see the changes made by this plugin. First, at the bottom of the page, you can see this black ribbon with a message regarding GDPR compliance. If I enter the wrong password, I will get an error message with the number of remaining allowed attempts. And that's it. This is how to limit login attempts in WordPress and add additional security to your website. I did my best to make this tutorial beginner-friendly and easy to understand. Please let me know if I succeeded by liking it or subscribing to my channel. This will also make it easier for others who want to learn how to limit their WordPress login attempts to find this video and this channel. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. Remember that there are no stupid questions, only stupid answers. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the following video.